What is up, crypto fans? Welcome back to another valuable cryptocurrency video. Today we have new cryptocurrency videos coming out every single day, ranging from the latest altcoin news to fundamental and technical analysis and everything about NFTs too. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, as it's free. You can always unsubscribe. It takes a few seconds and it really supports me. And if you find any help or value in this video at all, please let me know with a like or a comment, as these videos are free and it again really supports me when I see the likes and comments. Thanks so much. So guys, before we get into the video, really quickly, I have to thank you so much for the recent support. We have just hit 1.1k on this channel, which is crazy to see. And guys, when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway of $500 in any form of any cryptocurrency for the person who wins. And this will be randomly selected out of my subscribers, so make sure to be entered into that by subscribing. However, without further ado, in today's video we are talking about my top 3 picks for the NFTs of the future, well, for the next few months in this NFT bubble, that could potentially 100x with resale within the next few months. So as you saw in that thumbnail, the first of these is Doge Pound, the Doge Pound as you may call it. It is one of the biggest, most hyped up NFTs right now. Let's have a quick read of this description it has on its verified, by the way, OpenSea account. The Doge Pound is 10,000 art pieces carefully chosen by Professor Elon, a unique digital collection of diverse NFTs lying on Ethereum blockchain. Each one is thoughtfully designed, specifically picked and impeccably shaped. Join us on our adventure and have a good time. Having a Doge token grants you creative and commercial rights, as well as inclusion in the community. So not only is this a hyped up community and company, it's actually got purpose to it, which is always good to see in a NFT that should have longevity to it. How it will give you creative and commercial rights in the company and community. However, let's have a quick look at their Twitter account, see how many followers they are sitting on. And they are sitting on 68,000, which is huge compared to any of the other NFTs popping out right now. Most of them have around 20 to 30,000 at the most. But to see something with 68,000 shows that it just has a lot of hype around it. And really a lot of people are looking forward to seeing how it will progress. Obviously it states that they're on a mission to the moon, which is probably going to happen, but of course I'm not a financial advisor. I forgot to tell you, these videos are completely not financial advice. So if you're wanting to invest, please invest off your own research, as these videos are not financial advice once again, and only for entertainment purposes. A quick tweet from them 3 hours ago. It's always good to know what's up to date and what's happening. Let's have a quick read. We're going to do a full collective drop with really successful NFTs in the near future. We will hint at it tomorrow. Any guesses on who it is? This is very interesting, guys, because if we get another successful drop from the Doge Pound, it's really good for the company as a whole. And who do you guys think this could be? Comment down below. I think it could potentially be a celebrity in the NFT space, maybe KSI, maybe Logan Paul. These would be huge celebrities that could bring a lot of exposure to this NFT and the NFT space as a whole. Yeah, and then I've got some more up-to-date tweets, which is good to see. An active community, lots of likers and retweets, so that is good to see. But let's have a quick look at their website. Of course, everything begins and stems with their website, which is nice, by the way. Very well put together, quite clean with their animations. Got all the information right here. Their roadmap: 20%, 50%, 70%, 90%, 100%. Make sure to pause the video and read that for us. Everything is going to plan for this company, and I really believe in it. I am super bullish for it, and there is really no reason why the floor price of this company cannot reach 5, maybe 6 plus Ethereum per token. So moving on to my next NFT token, it is the Yakuza Cat Society, and this probably is one of my most favorite NFTs that I'm holding right now. I'm so glad I bought in early, and you guys can still buy in early too, because it is only at a floor price of 0.5 Ethereum. I know that is a lot for some of you guys. I would recommend this, but of course these videos are just for educational purposes. Do your own research. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorites, and I'm super bullish for it, not only because of the art and how much hype is around it, but it's just because of their plans for the future, everything they're doing, their roadmap, and everything they're doing. Really, they have 32,000 followers on Twitter, which is very good to see on an NFT collection and project. They have got quite a lot of real estate in the NFT space, if you know what I mean. Like, they're pretty well invested, lots of people know about them, pretty popular. Joined only in August, so they are blowing up right now. They have huge supporters in Wales behind them, such as JRNY Crypto, who has got a lot of money in crypto and got a lot of clout in crypto. So that is great to see too. And coming over to their website, which is of course amazingly put together, very niche, got that like anime Japanese kind of style, got all their links here, and of course they have their roadmap, which, as I said before, is going exactly to plan and looks so great for the future. Obviously, this NFT will also boom with the release of Ethereum 2.0, because it is on the Ethereum network, so that is great to see as well. However, so yeah, I really think this NFT could reach a floor price of 1 to even 2 ETH within the next month, because of just everything that I've mentioned before. Go have a look at their website. As always, I've left all of the websites in this video that I'm visiting of all these NFTs in the description below for you guys to do your own research. But honestly, I just love this project and community. Moving on to number 3 is Monster Buds, and more like easy level entry to get into, as the floor price is 0.2 ETH, which is still a lot for some of you guys. It is still around about $500, I think, but this could be money really well spent. These are just very fun and a little quirky animated pieces of art. They're quite nice and have a lot of viral potential, and I don't even think that they are all minted, so you could potentially buy some right now and mint them. But let's have a quick look at their website. Of course, these guys also have an Instagram, which we don't see with many other NFTs. They have just been verified on OpenSea, which is great to see for their potential in the future. But on Instagram, they are currently sitting at around 533 followers, which is low, but actually it's pretty high relative to most of the other NFT projects we see coming up in these few days. And the thing that's special about Monster Buds is actually it's a cannabis inspired NFT game, so it's not just hyped, but it's actually got utility, and it could be releasing real world things such as cannabis products, which a lot of the NFT space I know likes. And then their slogan is kind of buy, sell, trade, breed, and smoke these crazy buds. So I think with the future of NFTs and cannabis, one of two of the most highest growing businesses and industries right now, this could be a huge gold mine actually, and I am going to be investing in this after this video, I have to say. And finally, coming over to their Twitter, they are sitting on quite a few followers actually, 6,500, as they only established and joined in May, and they are completely sold out, following only 630. These are completely real followers, I'm sure they are, because of all the engagement they're getting. I don't think they have bought any of these followers, unlike many other cryptocurrencies and NFT pages that are starting up these days. I personally really love this project, and I'm pretty bullish for it, and I'm pretty sure that I could potentially get up to 1 ETH maybe, so we could see 5x gains. But of course, I have stated in this thumbnail and title that these NFTs could reach 100x gains, and they could, because what if we did this we saw a huge collab with someone like Dan Bilzerian in the NFT and cannabis space, and this NFT just completely skyrocketed. So that could be something we could see in the future, but we never really know for now, and all you can do is just do your own research and stay up to date with the NFT space. And I recommend subscribing, because I report every single day on NFTs and cryptocurrency to give you all the most recent up-to-date news on everything NFT and cryptocurrency. However, that is about it for today's video. So if you enjoyed, please let me know with a like or a comment, as these videos are completely free to make, and it really supports me when I see these likes and comments. And if you found any help or value in this video at all, just show your love, subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.